Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is the Dgentle Academy. Alright, so in today's session I'm going to be taking us through how to install Nitropro. So Nitropro is an editing software tool with this one here, which you can use to edit your PDF file, convert PDF file to Microsoft Word, convert pictures to texts, and many more. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it's currently in English. However, I'm going to leave the download link of this software in the description below. It's going to appear in form of Spanish, so I will take us through how we are going to be able to change the installed version, which I'm going to leave in the description, which you are going to change it from Spanish to English. Okay, so let me walk us through on how we are going to do that. First thing first, you want to click on Windows R. Okay, so you are going to see this checkbox appearing. Then you will type in regedit. Okay, regedit. Okay, then click on enter. You accept this. Then first thing, let me close all this. You look for where it's rating local mentions. Okay, then you open local mentions, you look for softwares, you open softwares, then you look for the application which you want to convert. This application which we have been installed, you can see here Adobe, you can see Google Chrome app, you can see Microsoft, you can see Nitropro. So there are very many. Okay, then for us, we want to change the language for Nitropro. Then you hit on Nitropro. It appears this way at first. Then you open this. Then you open this one too. Then you look for where it's written settings. Okay, then you click on settings. So on this page of settings, you can see here, so these are all content of settings. You look for where it's written language. Alright, so it's right here. Then you click on language. As you can see, initially when you install, you're going to see something like SP, maybe Spanish, AR, something like that. You know, it's just the code of the computer language. You can go on Google and maybe you just copy whatever is there and you search what language it is on Google. Okay, then you look for the one English, or you can simply just copy this one here, EN/GB, that is English. Okay, and UK English, just like a British English. Okay, that is GB. Now this is the code. You would want to, maybe let's confirm. Anyway, just search on internet to know that, and you can confirm by doing a quick search. Alright, then you just, let's paste that very quick and check what GB means. Okay, so no, not this. Let's go to standard ISO languages. Okay, so now these are codes for different languages. Are we together? Then maybe if you want to change it to French, just copy this code, this, and paste it there. This one is specific, FR Belgium. Okay, now for you can see something like ES something. Anyway, for us we need English. Okay, so this is English, as you can see, EN. Then this is what we want, UK English. You can see ENGB. You just copy that code, you come to this place and you paste it there. Okay, so you can just type this one which you're having right here, then you hit on enter. Okay, after that you can simply close this, go to application, close the application, then you restart this application. Okay, yeah, you are going to find out that it changes back to English from whatever language it is. So with this method you can do that to any other application which you've installed maybe online and it has come in different languages. Okay, yeah, so guys, thank you for your time, and if this video has been helpful to you, kindly slash the like button down there and also subscribe to our channel so you can get more notification as soon as we post a new content with you. Okay, so kindly share. If you feel there's someone who is in need of this, kindly share with them so as to help someone out there. Alright guys, thank you.